Hi guys, welcome to my channel Journey to a Happy Life. Today I am going to harvest my sweet potato. It's getting cold in here, so it's time for me to harvest it. I can see there's a sweet potato here, and I think that's small one, but it's okay. I think I planted this one maybe 6-7 months ago. Honestly, I cannot remember. And then also when I am going to use this spot to plant potatoes, regular potato. I bought Trader Joe's. I have three, so that one is another experiment because it's already cold, especially at night here where I live. And then potatoes, they like warmer climate, but I am going to try that one, and I will also will make a video of that one. So as you can see guys, I have some plants around here because right now we are cleaning our tiles where I put this plant. So it's kind of messy here, but I hope you can see it properly. So I'm going to harvest now. First I'm going to cut my potato, the potato leaves. I also like harvested several times these potato leaves, and I like making salad. Like I just boil the leaves for maybe a minute or so. After the water boils, drop it in the boiling water and then strain it. And then after that one, just put some vinegar and salt. And if you want to add like a tomato and onion, it's really very delicious. That's what I like about it. And also I like also putting it in soup. It's very healthy. I think I have um, four slips in here. Four slips. Just gonna put some gloves. This is disposable gloves. I have this one, little one. Oh, look at that! It's a big one. Yep, another little one. Oh, oh, there's. Oh, look! Look at that potato. Wow, I didn't expect this one. I thought they're small. Look, look at that one. That's huge. I have some little ones also. Wow. Wise size. I have better likewise size wise here in the pot than the one that I had planted in the ground. It's long and skinny. Yeah, I think that's it. So for four slips, these are my harvest. I have still a lot of little ones, but I don't think they will grow more because it's getting colder in here. So I'm planting some potato in here in this spot, and if it gets too cold, I'm going to just cover it. I think this is the biggest one. So guys, that's my harvest for four slips. There is one slip that they're all like tiny, mostly tiny. And then I'm really happy for the result. I never thought that they're gonna be like this. I just thought that they are like this. So okay guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next harvest. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.